of different lessons in incentives, idea of games, idea of voluntary payment, pay as you wish. Whatever knowledge you want to download, download. But supposing you like the Hawaii song of Moti Bhai, you want to pay 50 rupees, pay करते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, पैसा काम आएगा, वो किसी और को साथ में बांटना है ना. You can use it for travel, nothing else. Travel costs money. He wants to go to any place he wants. He is a very devoted teacher, but it costs money. If somebody listens to that and says, okay, I am willing to sponsor 10 visits of Moti Bhai, tell me how much cost. आप 10 स्कूलों में जाकर सुनाओ, उसका जो खर्चा मुझे बताओ, मैं पे करता हूँ. चलो, कर दो. So we want to create, whether we want to create, I mean, you should decide that. अगर आपको लगता है कि ऐसे सुझाव आपको देने चाहिए, इस पेपर में लिखे हैं कि क्या हम ओपन सोर्स टेक्नोलॉजीज के लिए पे एज यू विश का मॉडल, यानी कि जैसे आपकी इच्छा हो दो, पेमेंट देना है तो दो, नहीं देना है तो मत दो. तो मुफ्त में इस्तेमाल करना है तो मुफ्त में इस्तेमाल करो. If you want to get this knowledge free, use this knowledge. If you want to pay for it, pay for it. क्या इस मॉडल को ट्राई करें? You can try. सस्ती ने बहुत सारा डेटाबेस वेबसाइट पे डाल रखा है फ्री. हर एक पब्लिकेशन एनआईएस कहानी की पत्रिका फ्री डाल रही है. सब्सक्रिप्शन बहुत कम आते हैं हमारे पास. एडवर्टीजमेंट हमको देते नहीं लोग. मैगजीन को चलाना 25 साल तक आसान काम नहीं. एक मैगजीन को कई भाषाओं में 25 साल से चला रहे हैं. बहुत मुश्किल काम, लेकिन चलता है. बहुत अच्छा एक मंच है. दिस इज द ओनली प्लेटफॉर्म, दिस इज द ओनली मैगजीन, दिस इज द ओनली प्लेटफॉर्म where you find tens of thousands of ideas shared in open domain, public domain by people. Billions of dollars have been spent in conferences and discussions on creativity and innovation, and yet you do not find even 500 innovations with name and address of people on the web. 500 भी नहीं मिलती आपको जी. You don't find even 500 solutions of, let us say, sustainable pest management for agriculture at one place. You will not find such anything. Go and search. Billions of dollars have been spent by the government, World Bank, and everybody else. Yeah, what's the problem? When people are willing to share, and there are people wanting to learn, then why are not such platforms emerging? There must be something which is holding it back, but we must try. So kindly suggest ways in which the public domain gets expanded, in which the ideas are shared, people get incentive to share. The technology acquisition fund idea, should every country have a technology acquisition fund to expand public domain? So this is one case. Second is how to make open innovation platforms more robust. जो खुली हुई व्यवस्था है जिसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, उसको और ताकतवर कैसे बनाएं? फॉर्मल सेक्टर, इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर की चर्चा चली, कहाँ जोड़े और कहाँ अलग रखें? What is your suggestion? Where should we bridge it? Where should it be separate? जो large players हैं, how do we save the casualty, the mortality of small innovations by the large actors? How do we create space that they cannot be without bringing too much protectionism? क्या करें इसमें? Technology commons. What are the ways in which you can expand the technology commons concept? Network, people-to-people networking. We still do not have Honeybee magazine in every language of our country. Forget about every language of the world. Ideally, a database of this kind should be available in every language of the world. Swahili में होना चाहिए, भाषा में होना चाहिए, Chinese में होना चाहिए, सब भाषाओं में. Everywhere in the world we should be able to learn from each other. What do we do? How do we find volunteers? Students who will make it happen. हमारा एक स्वप्न है कि हिंदुस्तान दुनिया का सबसे ज्यादा ओपन सोर्स टेक्नोलॉजीज को देने वाला देश है. ठीक है भाई, ऐसा स्वप्न दे सकते हैं. Our model should be a different model of development. Asian model, not only Indian model, Asian model should not be a model where everything is to be done through markets. I'm not against markets. I love markets. But there are people who can't afford to get in the market. They don't have purchasing power, but they need this solution. And if they don't get solution, they will not have purchasing power. If they don't get purchasing power, they will not be able to buy the product that market is providing. So it is in the interest of the market players to increase their capacity to purchase, but they are not investing. They are taking short-term gain. So how do we expand market by increasing the purchasing power of communities and poor people? And that is only possible when their productivity goes up. How do we increase their productivity? their productivity will go up. When their productivity goes up, उनकी income बढ़ेगी. Income बढ़ेगी तो they will be able to buy more things. When they buy more things, the market will expand. That is a simple arrangement that we have spoken. Makes sense to us because it has happened in many cases, but not in all cases. There was a suggestion which came in China that Deepak Barali mentioned that in two areas of technological problem he has developed expertise. One was extrusion, plastics extrusion. He has developed some extraordinary knowledge. He wanted to share that. And second was the magnetic bobbins, magnetic. So he said he knows everything about magnets and he knows a great deal about extruded plastic. If anybody needs any knowledge, experience, problem is he's facing problem in the extrusion of plastic, mold banana है कुछ आपको, or you need magnets of different kind, बोलो मेरे को बताओ मैं उसकी help करूँ. Now this is a new mission which we have got. We will map the expertise of people who have struggled for 8 years, 10 years, 20 years, and then make that expertise available to other universities. अभी तक हमने किया नहीं था. Correct. We will do it now. But this issue came up in China. Because many people there were struggling with these problems. So how do we map the... So mentoring should not be done only by the formal sector, but also from the expert in the informal sector. That is another suggestion which has come. But we want to create an international mentor network. Designers, scientists, social scientists, professors. There are people here who read our advertisement. Mr. Mistry है यहाँ पर? Mr. Mistry, ये बाहर गए हो. वो fabricator है, बाहर में पढ़ के आए exhibition देखने के लिए. कल उनका फोन आया. He has come here after reading the advertisement newspaper. He said I have got a lot of capacity for manufacture, fabrication. I will be happy to come and help you take some innovations and fabricate. So we need mentors who can fabricate, mentors who can manufacture, mentors who can give design, mentors who can tell us कि यहाँ पे गलती कर रहे हो, it's not going to work. Don't waste your time in this. So all that suggestion feedback will be very good. There was a suggestion that new collaborators have come in the network. Scientists are collaborators, professors are collaborators. How do we give them ownership of the network? They feel that it is their network and it is they who manage the network with the transparency, with ethical values, with collaboration, constructive partnership. A lot of new actors have come in the network. The Shodhyatra in Manipur is being organized by Sam people. New partner, new friend. Only recently he has joined the network. How does he get the ownership of it? How does he become active partner and collaborator? How should we make him feel wanted? What is that which we want from Manipur? Lessons to learn from his communities. So, in Mizoram, we had a Shodhyatra. I have not seen a place more clean than Mizoram. I have not seen a place which had more rooftop water harvesting than Mizoram. I have not seen a place where every village had toilets and urinals for men and women. मैंने नहीं देखा पूरे देश में. कई इस राज्य में चले हम लोग, ऐसा गांव नहीं मिला जहाँ पर हर 50 कदम पर यूरिनल है, 100 कदम पर टॉयलेट्स हैं मैन वुमेन के लिए गांव के अंदर. इतनी सफाई 5 बजे शाम के टाइम भी सड़क पर एक पत्ता नहीं मिला हमको सीधा पड़ा. सच ए क्लीननेस, फैटिश पर क्लीननेस. बच्चे को आप टॉफी दीजिए, वो देखता है कहाँ डस्टबिन डाल के डालता है, तो वहाँ डाल के आता है. सड़क पे नहीं फेंकता. बच्चों को ट्रेन किया हुआ. So how can Mizoram, which is the capital of sanitation and hygiene of the country, and Madhya is the capital of the country, teach us? हम तो कभी सोचते नहीं मिजोरम के बारे में. हम तो उनको वहाँ दूर के देश पे बात करते हैं, मजाक उड़ाते हैं, उनके साथ में सहयोग भी नहीं करते. So how do we make this network highlight the strengths of different margins of our society and bring them into mainstream and make them point of reference? There was a session about library of materials, tools and other supportive information for innovators. Teaching material is there, लाइब्रेरी ऑफ टीचिंग मटेरियल कहाँ पर है भाई? तो लाइब्रेरी है, नेट के ऊपर मिल जाए, हम डाउनलोड कर लें उसको फ्री में? नहीं है ना? क्यों मोदी भाई, को मिली आपको वास्ता कोई ऐसी जगह? नहीं है ना? क्यों नहीं है भाई? If a fabricator wants to know different kind of composites, Dr. Bhatt नहीं मिलते ना उसकी जगह पर साथ। A windmill manufacturer wants to know whether he can make these spans of the windmill in a composite to reduce the cost, weight, and increase the efficiency. Where should he go? So can we make a library of materials, new materials, library of tools, library of properties of this material? Some example, where can it be used? So materials for technological, for materials for culture, puppets कैसे बनाने हैं, इसका material कहाँ मिलेगा तो? Instructional material. So how do we create libraries of resources, open source libraries of resources for innovators who don't have to go to 100 places to find out those resources? Radio, which was mentioned in the morning earlier also, we have still not found a way of how to use radio because our public broadcasters don't give time for innovations. Our Doordarshan and our all India radio provides practically no time for creating awareness about innovation. Our colleague Gopi is sitting here. He is the national leader now in the country for science awareness, is that right? Science communication and awareness. It's a challenge to him. How to shame them, how to cajole them, how to persuade them, how to pester them, how to push them into providing space on which people have a right, so that people who have access to radio and television, only they have no access to cable and they have no access to paid channels, only public channels, and 60% of this country at least, or maybe 40% at least, if not 50%, has access to only public broadcasting. They have no access to channel. सही बात है? मतलब बहुत जगह देश नहीं है ना गांव के, वो दो ही चैनल देखता है, बस दूरदर्शन के देखता है। Now such people who cannot pay 3,000, 4,000 rupees a year for channels and have to rely only on public broadcasting, how do they get access to the knowledge? Is a challenge for us. क्या करें इसके बारे में? The point about demonstration. Before we break for tea, I want to go through this entire list of issues. Demonstration in the morning, it came up. What kind of demonstration centers we create? I don't think we should create two centers. Every Krishi Vigyan Kendra is a national resource. Why should we create new Vigyan Kendra? No. Every district has Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Krishi Vigyan Kendra. We have to force the ICR. We have to push them to realize that every creative person in every district has a right to demonstrate his technology at Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Period. No argument. You have to give some space. नहीं हो सकता भाई? 500 एकड़ का फार्म है आपके पास, आप 50 एकड़ नहीं दे सकते इसके अंदर इनोवेटर्स के लिए? Why not you give 50 acres out of 500 acres that you have the farm for public demonstration of technology? क्यों नहीं दे सकते भाई? And this will not happen easily, but we have to push. We have to demand it. This is our right. Creative people of this country have the right, and we will demand it, and we will make it happen. It will not happen easily. No system changes easily. But if we decide, we give a declaration today, I can assure you that it will happen one day. Somebody will read it. मैं एक छोटा उदाहरण देता हूँ. पिछले संडे को मैंने एक कॉलम लिखा कि जो इनोवेशन इंडेक्स बनाते हैं वाइपो वगैरह दुनिया की ताकतें इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ मिलकर, फ्रांस में इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ मिलकर, उसमें जो आप लोग की सूझबूझ है उसमें कोई जगह नहीं थी. तो हिंदुस्तान बहुत नीचे आता है. लेकिन अगर आपकी सूझबूझ शामिल करें तो हिंदुस्तान ऊंचा उठ जाएगा. 24 घंटे के अंदर I got a mail. Within 24 hours of the column I wrote last Sunday, 24 hours I got a mail from WIPO that it is true what you are saying. Our innovation index is incapable of tapping the power of grassroots. Please help us to correct our innovation index. We want to modify it. Writing with exact me. Sometimes ideas do make a difference. It will make a difference if we are going to insist on it. So it is not, don't give up. Don't think that it is going to happen easily. But there is a power in all the people sitting here. Let us use that power. How to engage youth? जो टेक मीडिया का सेशन था वहाँ पे बड़ा अच्छा डिस्कशन हुआ. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स थे, IIT के, NIT के, NIT से 6 बच्चे आए वारंगल के, बैठे यहाँ पर. NIT वारंगल के बच्चे. Yes. Now these kids are coming from Warangal, Andhra Pradesh. Why have they come here? Because they want to understand the spirit of this network. They think it is relevant for them. But then they asked me in a session, सर आप हमारे बॉस हमारे प्रिंसिपल को समझाइए। मैंने कहा when I was in your age, I never bothered about what principal or director said. I did what I wanted to do. I lost marks, but I learned, gained in life. So if you have to lose marks, have the courage to lose marks. But you will gain in life, that much assurance I can give you. Have my word, as a teacher I am telling you, you will not lose in life. You will lose marks. So we need children, we need youth who will rebel against the established system, because systems are not designed to create innovation. Innovations are designed to change the systems. So if they don't allow you, it doesn't matter. Just persist with it. Sooner or later, systems will change. I can assure you that. Systems will change. The idea of uncultivated plants being harnessed for food security, very important. Extremely important. God forbid अगर किसी terrorist ने बायो टेररिस्ट ने वायरस फैला दिया हमारे खान only 5 crops on which the whole world rests more or less. If bio terrorists spread virus or something, what will happen to the future of civilization? So in our country, we have made arrangements by collecting large number of recipes based on uncultivated plants in every area. For our country, we have made arrangements, but every country has to do this. Now we will do that. Find out the uncultivated plants, tubers, roots, fruits, leaves, which can be used as, which have been used as food. We have to build such a database. Manipur, I am sure there will be many such plants which are not cultivated but are sources of food. We need that bank of uncultivated resources for future survival for society. Climate change, bioterrorism, anything can happen. We have to be ready. So that's another issue on which we need your advice. How to collect apply innovation from one sector to another. Many times innovations are useful for one sector, but they have application in another sector. Can we do something about it? That's another side. Designing, packaging, maintenance, repair. Those are the ideas which came. A lot of ideas were on financing of ideas. Now a lot of work is going on in the world on crowdfunding. I will not be able to fund the whole technology. I can fund 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 250 rupees. छोटे-छोटे investments से pool करके बड़े-बड़े problems को solve किए. How do you pool small contributions to solve bigger problems? 1000 लोग 200 रुपया देंगे तो कितना पैसा जाएगा? So let us try to pool small contributions from large number of people to create funding for solutions that deserve to be taken forward. And we must involve more people. The advantage of small contribution is it brings social capital. If 2,000 people are interested in making an innovation successful, there is a good chance that it will become successful. So let us try to think of what kind of new models of funding. In many parts of the world, there are crowdfunding platforms. In our country, they are not as popular, but we must try. Every district can have a social venture fund, just as we have district innovation fund in bureaucracy. We discussed in the morning with some activity session, there were some faculty members from private management school, private business engineering school. Can they put some solution in open source for the small sector? And tell them that if you make money, contribute. Pay after satisfaction. जब BT cotton का revolution आया गुजरात में, there were many students and farmers who made BT cotton seed. और वो बोले भाई आप फार्मर को सीड देते थे शुरू में और पैसा देना फसल की काटने के बाद, क्यों वैसे ही है कि नहीं? सीड की परफॉर्मेंस गारंटी देते हैं किसान, भाई को नहीं देती. Our farmers in the state gave performance guarantee. उनको पेरेंट लाइन मिल गई बाहर से, उन्होंने अपना सीड बनाया, बेचा और लोगों को बोला जब आपका फसल कट जाएगा पैसा देना अगर अच्छा हो तो मत देना. And it worked. 30 लाख बेल से 125 लाख बेल प्रोडक्शन बढ़ गया 6 साल 8 साल में. कॉटन का यहाँ सोसाइटी में यहाँ पर कुछ महाराष्ट्र में आंध्र प्रदेश में सब जगह हुआ, यहाँ नहीं हुआ. यहाँ पर 250 वैरायटी बनाई लोगों ने, 250 varieties farmers bred. So how do we distribute building blocks of technology by which people can develop their own solutions? That is another thought which came. And how do we generate this fund? So I will stop here. we'll break for tea. Chai aa gayi? Check kar lo. We'll break for tea for 15 minutes. Come back at 4 o'clock. We want your ideas on things that you want to include in this recognition. Any thought, anybody has a larger thought, a bigger thought, बड़ी बात आपको लगे चाहे वो कितनी भी असंभव है, add ideas to it. We'll try to make it happen. Don't bother about how weird the idea is, how impossible it looks. Everything looks impossible to begin with.
10 मिनट है आपके पास।
अभी नहीं? start कीजिए बोलो।
10 मिनट है, लगा रहे बात करने।
So let us stop here. Let us get the ideas. We will break at 4 o'clock then for tea. Anybody who has ideas, yes please.
I found that this just saying pay whatever you want doesn't work.